Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I'm about to unbox the iPhone 12 mini purple. So this iPhone is actually very cute looking, and I thought about making a video about. It's not that like I will own this iPhone, but it's just fun to see how the inside looks like and how the material feels like, and that I can share this experience with you. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So first of all, what we have here is the iPhone 12 mini purple, the 64 gigabyte. As I said, I'm not gonna use this iPhone, so I just went for 64 gigabyte to unbox it for you guys. And what's remarkable about this iPhone is the purple Apple logo, which demonstrate time and time again that Apple checks the details. Even the iPhone letters are in purple. Furthermore, yeah, we have just the box, the very clean box. Only the iPhone is displayed on the box, and that's it. Compared to the iPhone 12 Pro box, which is here, if we just compare the sizes together, we see a massive difference. So this whole padding in here is visible in the iPhone 12 Pro. What's funny though is the Apple logo of the iPhone 12 Pro Max is white. Yeah, because I have a white-ish iPhone 12 Pro Max. But compared to the iPhone mini, it's a purple logo. So that's very cool and very fun to see. Yeah, they are exactly the same except for the sizes, and that's it. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So this is like satisfying. I always hope to do this right, and every time I mess this up. So let's see if I'm able to do this time, to do it this time right. So, and there you go. This is what I love about Apple. So they know how they package their stuff. And this way you don't need a knife. You can just pull that screen and your iPhone is unboxed. So let's open it in here. And there you go. So this iPhone is gorgeous. I haven't thought about it. It's a very good looking iPhone. So let's take a moment to look to this beauty. I thought from the pictures that the back has a matte finish, but it's glossy, and I don't mind actually that it's glossy because it doesn't look like it collects some fingerprints, as you see on the camera. It doesn't collect any fingerprints at all. The sides are matte finish, which I love about this iPhone. This is something that Apple needs to be doing on the iPhone 13 Pro, if you ask me. Just keep those sides in matte and I'll never use a case again. So that's it. What's remarkable though about this iPhone is that the Euro logo, I'm not sure if you guys can see it on the camera, but it's on the side. And the fact that we not may throw our iPhone in a garbage bin. Obviously, I'm not throwing this iPhone away. That's also demonstrated on the sides. It's very good looking iPhone. Yeah, and that's actually how the outside looks like. So let's go ahead and pull this. And as you see, it's a beauty of a phone. I very like this iPhone. It's an iPhone mini. We already saw in the past the Samsung mini. I believe the Samsung did the mini version like 5 years ago, but they stopped. But iPhone just made the mini version a reborn version. And if you ask me, the size of this iPhone is something like the iPhone SE. Maybe slightly bigger because we don't have any bezels. Well, we have some slightly bezels on the sides, but they are not noticeable. But we don't have the button, which makes the screen very large. So let's go ahead and turn this iPhone on. And it would be nice if Apple made this experience even more enjoyable by just pulling this screen protector out of it, and the iPhone would go would turn on by itself, like the Apple MacBook experience. So as usual, the very familiar looking hello letters. So if we swap up, I'll just choose English. Because I'm in the Netherlands, I will just keep it in the Netherlands. And I'm about to set it up manually. Yeah, that's my preferred spoken language. Continue. I need to choose some Wi-Fi. Okay, so now it's connecting to my Wi-Fi, and it takes a few minutes to activate my iPhone. So Apple is telling us that this icon appears when an Apple feature asks to use your personal information. So always when Apple asks you to use your personal information, this logo will show up. So hit continue. Face ID, I'm not gonna set it up now, but set it up later. So let's choose. I'm very curious. So if I choose a very easy to guess password, will Apple know if that's the case? Will it refuse to let me go to the next step? So let's go ahead and go for a fairly easy password. Okay, so like I thought, this password can be easily guessed. So they advise me to choose another password. So I can go for it anyway or change my password. Let's do something like this. Okay, so this one went through the test. So I can restore from an iCloud backup. I can restore from a Mac or PC. I can restore my data from another iPhone. So I will then transfer directly from an iPhone to this iPhone. Or I can choose to not transfer any apps or data at all. So use a different ID. So if you haven't an Apple ID and you just want to pass through it, you can just go to forget password and set up later in settings. Just remember that if you haven't set up your Apple ID yet, you can't do anything. You can't download any apps or use your iPhone properly. So I'm not going to use it at the moment. I just want to show you guys how the inside looks like, how the speed of the iPhone is, etc. So let's agree to some terms and conditions. Who's reading these terms and conditions? Let me know if you read these terms and conditions in the comment section below, because I don't. So I just agreed with some terms and conditions I didn't even went through. Keep your iPhone up to date. Okay, so this one, Apple wants always to update the iPhone automatically. So I'm just go ahead and choose that. Not now. Location services, disable it. Screen time. Yeah, I love this one because this shows me exactly how much time I spend on my iPhone every single day. So if you find out that you are spending way too much time on Instagram, iPhone will tell you exactly that. So I highly recommend you to turn that on. iPhone analytics. Yeah, why not share it with Apple? Even though I know they will take some data from me, that's fine. Share with Apple developers. Yeah. Okay, so this is what the iPhone looks like without Truth Zone, and this is how it looks like with Truth Zone. So what we see is this orangey a very great look, not bluish screen, and that's something I very like. Without it, it looks like a Game Boy from 2000. So I'm just go ahead and keep it on. Continue. We can go for the dark theme or the light theme. I'll change that in a moment. Um, this one is not okay. So this shows your icon slightly bigger than with a standard one. I don't like very big icons, so I'll go for a standard one. And there you have it. Okay, so if we just scroll up, and this is what the iPhone looks like. And it's very gorgeous. It's very fast. And the speed of this iPhone is just unbelievable. I'm not sure how the battery does and what the camera is. This is just an unboxing video, so maybe in the near future I'll make detailed videos about the battery life, how the camera does outside and inside a room, and all of that. But it's something I very like. Let's go ahead. Okay, so it tells me that I can speed up my typing by sliding my finger across the letters. I'm not gonna use that. I never have used that before. So let's go to youtube.com. And as you see, the speed of this iPhone is just unbelievable. Sure, it's a very new iPhone, so definitely that speed will be very fast. Every time I unboxed an iPhone in the past, I had a very fast iPhone, even the iPhone 5. But this is the very gorgeous looking iPhone. If I will I recommend you this iPhone? Definitely, but for a couple of bucks more, you can go for the normal version, which is a slightly bigger iPhone. So I haven't unboxed that iPhone yet, so I can't advise you about that iPhone. This is a very good looking iPhone. Once again, the purple color is just a beauty. Even though the red color is more beautiful than this one, but that's maybe a preference, your own preference. It's maybe different for all of us. But yeah, this is all about the new iPhone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, tell me in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you have liked it, or just let me know what you want to improve in these videos. And I'll see you in the next one.